Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your progress. Make a full save and copy your game folder because mistakes happen. Next, install a reputable single-player mod manager and any required runtimes. These make installations reversible and safer. Once done, download a weapon DLC pack explicitly intended for story mode. Do not use online-only resources that risk bans. Make sure the pack lists compatibility with your game version, and keep the downloaded archive in one place so you can follow the next steps without hunting files. You now install. Extract the DLC into the exact folder the mod author specifies because path mistakes break the game. Use your mod manager to register the new DLC or script entries. This automates load order and reduces conflicts. When editing config files, change only the lines the guide tells you to and keep a copy of originals. Once you finish, validate integrity, run the manager's verify or a quick test launch. If the game crashes, revert the changed file and recheck paths before continuing. Finally, you boot story mode and use the trainer or mod menu to spawn the newly added weapons. Familiarize yourself with the spawn keys so you can test safely. If a weapon fails to appear, make sure the DLC files are in the right folders and that the mod manager has the correct load order. Mismatched versions commonly cause issues. If problems persist, restore the backups you made earlier, update the mods to match your current game patch, and try again. This usually resolves stability problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.